Hey everybody, it's Michelle Metzner and welcome to this tutorial about how to create HTML content in your D2L Learning Management System. So let's go ahead and get started. When you log into D2L, you'll be here on the landing page that shows the courses that you've got going for any particular term. Let's go ahead and just access this first one by clicking on it. And this will take us to our home page. Now, because this is a new course, I have not set up the home page yet, and that's perfectly fine. I can still add content to the course, which is what we're going to do now. So if you go up to the top navigation bar and click on content, this will take us to our content area. So you'll see in the left margin here that we've set up a couple of modules already. So we've got syllabus, week 1, week 2, and week 3 set up already. You can see right here that syllabus and week 1 have a document in each of them. So now we're going to put one in the week 2 module. So we're just going to click on that, and you can see here that we're in week 2, and I want to go ahead and add a new file, basically, so new information. So very intuitively, I'm going to click on new, and that's going to bring a drop-down menu. Okay. We're not going to upload files this time. Instead, we're going to create a file. So let's click on that. And this takes us to our file creation window. The first thing we need to do is give this a title. So this is going to be Features of MS Word. Okay. And then we can go ahead and either type in our information here, or we can cut and paste information. So I already have some information that I've pasted, so let's go ahead and pop that in there. You'll see we have an image too, so you can cut and paste images in if you'd like. So if you're happy with the way this looks, you can leave it and go ahead and post it now, and your students will be able to see it just as it looks right now. But if you want to make some changes to it, there are 2 ways you can do it. One is just by using the tools up here in the toolbar, okay? So you can do things like apply different heading levels with this tool right here. You can do the standard bold, italics, underline, change the alignment, add bulleted lists or numbered lists. You can add a link here. You can change the font. You can change the type size. So all of that is right there. The one thing I did not see, though, is how to change HTML code. So if you are more advanced and you know HTML and you want more control over how things look, you're going to want to use the HTML code. Where is it? Well, if you click on these 3 dots right here, it'll open up additional tools, and you will see the HTML tool right here in the lesser than / greater than icon. So if you just click on that, it'll bring up this window with the source code in it. Okay. For those of you who don't know HTML, you're going to look at this and go, oh my God, I don't understand what's happening. But if you know HTML, this will look very familiar with you. So this, or very familiar to you. So this is how you access your HTML code. All right. I'm not going to teach you HTML code. I'm just showing you where it's at so you can play with it as you wish. All right. So we're just going to cancel this. But like I said, you can make changes to anything without using HTML. So for example, I don't like this image being over on the left, so I'm going to come here to the alignment tool and hit center. So that will center that. Okay. So you can make all kinds of changes. So anyway, that was just a real quick and dirty on how to access the HTML creation tool. As always, if you have any questions, please email me at michelle.metzner@wright.edu, and I will be happy to answer them. Until next time.